Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Welcome back to the channel once again. And if it is your first time here, my name is Giggle, and today's video is going to be a quick one. So for the past few weeks now, most of the messages that I've been receiving are all asking for a plan, a drawing. So I decided to share my architect's number here with you guys. The name is Nat. So if you already have your builders or you just want to start building your house, Nat is the first person that you have to contact for your planning and designing. And if you don't have builders and you want us to build your dream house for you, then you contact me. Then I'll put you in a group where you have all the production group members, from the architect, the engineer, and everyone, so that we can do a cost estimate and tell you how much the building is going to cost you and all of those stuff. So if you need just a drawing, then you go for Nat. But if you want to build a house from start to finish, then you send me email or you send me a WhatsApp by the number, and then I'll put you there. So this one was done by my engineer. My engineer can also draw, and also he is a contractor, he's engineer, so he is all weather, he can do everything. So by the way, this is my pram project. This was the initial drawing, but I went a level high. I did something different. So actually I didn't really use this drawing. So my contractor wants to give it out to someone who is interested. It's just ground floor and then a second floor. Then you can go with a rooftop terrace, or if you want just a hidden roof, you just go with it. The drawing will come with cost estimate, how many blocks you need for foundation to lintel level, everything. Cost estimate will come with it. So if you're interested, you get in touch with me, and then I forward you to the contractor. And this is the Tema project he also designed and we've built. That's what you saw. These are projects which are upcoming. These are things that we've designed for our clients. Most of our projects are all apartments. I don't know why, but we are getting most of the apartment projects. So if you need a drawing, Gigo Production is the group. When you get to us, you have everything. You don't have to hustle looking for architects around or looking for plumbers, electricians. We have everybody. All you have to do is just one WhatsApp, and then you have the whole production group at your disposal, and you deal with them directly. You buy your own materials, you control your stuff. If you want us to help you, we have a supplier, we have everything. All you have to do is just send a WhatsApp, and then you have everything you need. You discuss it with them, how you want to build it. I've shared experience how to build houses, an easy way of building. You can also check in my playlist most of the houses that we've built. Easy houses, cost estimates, reasonable. So please get in touch. Look at what we did with this project. You could see the land is almost 1.5, even not even 1.5 plot, but see what we were able to do with it. 3 detached houses. Simple. This was done in just a year. All the 3 houses, I think 1.5 year finished. I was in Ghana to check it out myself when they started. When it was at this stage, that was when I was in Ghana to check it out myself. Like I said in my previous videos, like most of the project that we're doing, the owners really don't allow us to put details, because of security and stuff. So if you are ready to start with your project, let us know. We are here to start from beginning till the end. So I think this will bring us to the end of today's episode. And thank you for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel, and I'll see you in my next episode. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more episodes. Let's get to it.